routine check. So the things that are important to check is your tire pressure. This is, by the way, jiba bells. Ano jiba bells ni siya? Okay, gusto ipangahan sa akong daughter. So, tire pressure. What I use is this. So ako na siya giset sa yang sa akong preferred tire pressure for long rides with back rides with OBR. And dirty kayo kay walay time mag-wash. Tatay schedule yapas. Pasensya yung pajama. Snoopy. So this, by the way, is the Xiaomi Mi Pump S. So I'm not sponsored by Xiaomi. This is what I use when I travel or on a normal day to work. So yung reading sa front tire is 24. So ako siya i-set of 29. So pump na siya yan. And by the way, sa wonder mo unsa ng BW7 wet. That is my call sign. I am also an amateur radio operator. And I'm a member of the Ham Radio Cebu Incorporated. So shout out HRC PX7 Charlie Bravo uniform. May buntag ninyo mga sir. So disconnected na siya. Ito ibalik ang tire cap. Then we proceed to the rear. So ang ako po din gamit is exhaust pipe by VMAX Power Pipe. VMAX by Orion. Shout out VMAX by Orion. And also Sir Ron from Apex Motozone. Shout out. So medyo gahi siya. Ako sa center stand. Be right back.
A few inches later.
And the reading sa current tire pressure is 34 psi. Now the suggested tire pressure for dual back riding sa Raider 150 Fi is 39. So I think this is good, but we'll just make it 35. So let's press the button. Oh, 29, 30, 34, 35. And it stops. So na-reach na niya 35 psi, automatic shut off ang pump. Finish up. So moving on, after tire pressure, check your chain slack. So kung gamit na chain is the Black Scale RK Takasago with the gold sprocket. By the way, ang setup na ko is torque mode with 3251 40 teeth and 14 teeth at front engine sprocket. So chain slack usually okay. Ano siya? Nakalimot ko pila jud ka millimeters ang dapat, but ako lang is pili lang jud siya mo dapat din ha swing arm i-pull nimo without using excess force. So done with the chains, we will now move to the brakes. So dili kayo na ito maklaro dire, but trust me, I can see it. Taga pang brake. Rear brakes. Yeah, I think you see it there. Yes, baga pa siya. And the clutch. So daghan ang mukumpiyansa sa clutch. Always lubricate your clutch because you will never know ano sa among maputulan ng clutch, and we don't like that to happen to our manual motorcycles. Pwede for emergencies, pwede dyan ta maka-drive o manual without clutch if kabalo mo, but the manufacturer doesn't suggest using that method because it might damage your engine, no, in your gears. Dili siya healthy sa inyong bike. So, lastly, check for any leaks. So, yesterday, pag warm up na ko sa motorcycle, jiba bells, na leak diri nga hose. Kini siya nga hose from the radiator down to the crankcase sa iyang water pump. I-leak diri. Gamay lang. But if you do not do your routine check, possible nga mag-continue ang leak and maugtan mo kulan sa inyong travel. So akong gibuhat is i-tighten ako ng screw. Just use a normal flathead screwdriver and leak's gone. So check the window for the oil. Pero sakto ang case. Bago ko na-change oil. Medyo dark na siya. But that was just a few weeks ago. Nag-change oil ko last. And what's next? Oh yeah. One of the most basic things to do as a motorcycle owner is to warm up your engine in the morning. So, we will do that. Kaysa arita mag-warm up, padong at amulak daw, makadulkos the delay. So, while checking, you can do your warm up. And there you go. You can now also hear the VMAX power pipe. Oh, medyo crunchy, crispy ang yung sound, but mura na gyapon siya stock. Finally reached the end of the video. Here's a short clip. Enjoy. See you next time.